there's the finished product. Let's show you how I got here. Loving this crew cab. No storage though. That seat you can fold down from the factory. I've got a bracket coming here to be able to fold this one down. But let's put this in real quick. Put the link below in the description. Pretty easy process. All you do is you just thread the knobs into place, and then you're gonna have storage. Should thread in right here. So let's go ahead and get this pot tossed in here. So because I want to keep using my factory floor mats here, there's a hole design on this one, and you can push it down and thread it through the holes. But what I did is I actually put a self-centering punch. I'm gonna do a through bolt to the 3 spots there, here, and here, because that divider's in the way. And just to check, we'll just fold this guy down here. Make sure that, yeah, we close no problem without issue. So that'll be perfect. So pull this out, I'll drill these holes to keep the plastic out of the truck, and then we'll just be able to bolt it in. So I just got a drill bit that's about the size of the nut. And you can see I've got spots marked to drill. So let's go ahead and do that. There we go, holes are drilled. Just got to put the 1/4-20 bolt in the middle there. And then comes with some washers and some nuts, which are down over there. So the factory recommendation looks like to put the nut on the back side. I'll show you why here. So there's the back side, that way you don't have any pull through. And just thread your nut on. Just about done here. I used a stainless 1/4-20, a little bit bigger than the factory, but again, I just want that 3rd tap because that's a big grab. And I plan to put storage containers behind because I like to haul a lot of stuff with me. But we'll tighten this down and we'll take a final look. Last part of the install is there's these little loops. They go over the bottom and top. So obviously I'm just doing it with one hand, but you just put it over the top and bottom each side. And that bin should fit on both sides. Had to move the knob over there, so if you're gonna put the bin here, it won't clear, so I just switched stuff around. But there you have it. Installed, we got storage. Also becomes a gun rack. This bin pulls out. So now we'll load her right up. Thanks for watching.